so I'm just refilling my apothecary. I can never pronounce that word. Ooh, look. I found a leaf in one of them. So I'm almost done with my rosebud petals. Rosebud petals and rose petals, two different things. Rosebud, just gonna show. Okay, so here's my roses. These are rose petals, and these are rosebud petals. These are the little thing that's inside of a rose. It's very strong in scent, and these are just the flower petals, so they're not really strong in scent. These are the ones that's inside of a rose, so it's a bit strong. And I'm going to do my chamomile. And I'm almost done with my chamomile, so I can't collect any more chamomile. I'll be set for like a couple, probably a year or 2 years, actually. With this, chamomile is a really good relaxing solution if you want to relax. It's not sedative. Roman chamomile is sedative, but this one is just, it's not too strong. And it's the actual flowers, it's not the oil, so it's not that strong. But it adds a relaxing feel to your bath time, which is why I added to my soap. So yeah, this is my chamomile. I usually blend it and add it in soap, or I use it for decoration on top of my soaps. So these, yeah. And I'm going to add my Arnicas in this jar of mine. Arnica, you can use it for tea. I buy all my stuff from a grocery store that's nearby, so if I can find it in the grocery store, then I'll get it from Amazon or other places. But Arnica has healing properties, and also it's a natural painkiller. So if you put it in tea, it will relax you for a little bit. But if you use the oil, it will numb a little pain. Oh, just a little bit. It's not that strong, because again, it's just a natural. Oh, this is hard to put this in here, because some of them still have a stem. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'll be back. All right, so this is my Arnica bottle. I probably won't use this much often, but yeah, these are my bottles so far. And last but not least, I'm going to use, hold on, oh, never mind. I already have something in here. I was gonna use this tea container to put my what is it? Not lemongrass. Yeah, I use lemongrass. my eucalyptus, but we'll keep the almonds, the oats in here because I have the oats. But yeah, that's all for now. These are my roses, my chamomile, and my arnica. They both have great benefits.